Hey guys, so in today's lesson we're going to be learning Clocks by Coldplay. This one was actually a recommendation from a subscriber. They commented and said they'd like to learn clocks, so I'm going to do that one today. We're going to keep this super simple. It's not a fingerstyle version, it's a very basic acoustic strummy version. So yeah, let's get learning them chords. Okay guys, so we're going to start by learning the chords. Just to note, the capo is on fret number 1 for this one. So yeah, just pop your capo on fret 1. Chords we need are D, third one up from the bottom, number 2, bottom string number 2, middle string fret 3, strum the bottom 4 strings. There's your D chord. We have an A minor, that's second string up from the bottom 1, string above 2, string above fret 2, strum all the strings except the low E. Again, as I always say, you can pop that thumb on the top to mute that low E if you'd like. We have an E minor, second one down from the top, number 2, string underneath number 2, strum all the strings. So it's literally just them 3 chords for the majority of the song. So that was D, A minor and E minor. Now in the bridge it does change. We have an F major 7, that's second string up from the bottom 1, string above 2, string above 3, strum the bottom 4 strings. Then we have a C, which is very similar to that one. It's second string up from the bottom 1, third one down from the top, fret 2, string above fret 3, strum all the strings except the low E, again thumb can go over the top. And we have a G chord, second string down from the top, number 2, top string fret 3 and bottom string 3. So that's the bridge chords. That was F, C, G. So just a quick run through them on all of the chords again. So we've got, there's a D, an A minor, we have an E minor, and then when it gets to the bridge we have an F major 7, C and G. So it's worth practicing them chords. You need to make sure you've got all of them chords down first. If you got that, we're going to move on to the first order of chords. Okay guys, so now we've got the chords, we're going to move on to the order and the strumming pattern. Most basic way of getting through the whole song is just a single strum on a D, an A minor again, and an E minor. And it literally just repeats that for pretty much the majority of the song, apart from the bridge as mentioned earlier. So you could just count 4 beats on each chord. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So and yeah, just repeats that for pretty much the whole way through the song. If you're a little bit more advanced or want to learn the strumming pattern, we're going to cover that now. So it's an 8th note strumming pattern. Now essentially all that means is just 8 strums on every chord. So if we grab that D chord, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Same in the A minor. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Another A minor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. E minor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So again, now the only other thing we need to do to make it sound more like the track is we're going to accent the 1st, the 4th and the 7th strum. Now all that means is we're just going to hit them ones a bit harder. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Same on the A minor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then the E minor. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. But again, if you find that too difficult, you can leave it. It's not a major issue. Okay, cool. So let's try it a bit quicker anyway if you want to try it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8. Cool. Yeah, so it pretty much repeats that throughout the entire song. All the verses, the hooks, the little musical interludes. It's literally just that chord progression the whole way through. So cool. If you've got that, that's great. We're going to move on to the bridge section next. Okay guys, so now we've got the verse chords. We're going to move on to the only time that it changes, which is the bridge, which is an F major 7, a C, and a G. Now it's 2 bars of F, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, and you do that 3 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, and G, 2, 3, 4, one more time, 2, 3, 4, F, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4, and right at the end of the bridge is just 4 bars of F. There's like a little guitar solo bit, a little interlude. So yeah, if you're an absolute beginner, single strum that bit, just keep it nice and simple, very basic. So just like the F, count to 4, count 4 again, C, count to 4, and G, count to 4. If you're a little bit more advanced, we can add that same strumming pattern that we used in the verse. So grab the F, and it's 2 lots on the F, so that 8th note strumming pattern. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. C for 1 bar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. G for 1 bar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. And it just repeats that 3 times. And then we've got the F chord at the end for the 8th note strumming pattern 4 times. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. And then it just goes back to the da 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 da, back to the original bit. So yeah, cool. So that is it. The verse, the bridges are just F twice, C and G 3 times, and then right at the end of the bridge, 4 bars of F. Cool. So I hope that's helped. Okay, so I hope you've enjoyed today's lesson on Clocks by Coldplay. As always, if you have, please do smash that like and subscribe, and I'll see you again in the next one.